Hi Andrew, this is Gail. I thought it might be easiest if I just demonstrate how to find the ebook for our course and how to get signed up for it. So when you're on our home page in Canvas, of course, you'll start by clicking into and reading the welcome, the click here to start, hello and welcome to English 101. You'll take a look at the course syllabus just so that you know that that is there for you and it's available all quarter. And then the way our course is set up for the first few weeks, at least, is you have to move through things in order from the top of each unit to the bottom of the unit. And so if you try to skip ahead, you'll see down here, these are shaded out. That means I can't click into that yet because I haven't unlocked it. So I have to make sure I go into this assignment, click into this, look at it, view it, and then when I go back, that next assignment will be open for me. So that might be part of the challenge that you're facing if you're trying to skip ahead and look ahead. You're not able to actually access those assignment areas yet because you haven't worked your way through the previous ones. So the access to the book is near the top of our Canvas site. So when you're in our home page, you'll just scroll down to the Find Help and Resources unit. And then there's a page for how to access our ebook. You can click here. This will give you information about how to actually access the book itself. It will also provide this link where you can get help and troubleshooting from Cengage. So if you are having trouble, they'll be able to help you out. So what you're going to do after you read the information about how to access it, then you click into this one that just says click here to access our ebook. And it's a little confusing because when you click here, you just get this, what kind of seems like a blank page, but you have to click onto this load, click here, and that will take you to this Cengage page for sign in. If you do not already have a Cengage account, then you use this link down here to create a new account. And once you create your new account, that should then give you access to MindTap and to our textbook. So hopefully that helps. If you are still having trouble after this, let me know and I'll see what I can do to help troubleshoot. All right. Thanks, Andrew.